Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Eli from the Dead West set. It was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with night blue for his jacket. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his jeans base coated with dark green grey. For all of the exposed skin, I went for sunny skin tone. His backpack, hair and boots all get done with Noble Steed Brown. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Since I have this colour out, I also base coated the scarf with this colour, just to save me using a different one on this. Getting started on the highlights, I used green beret to bring up all of the folds and the flat areas on his jeans. To add a highlight to the scarf and bedroll, I went for sand yellow from AK Interactive. For the boots and backpack, I added a highlight using Cork Brown, bringing up all of those raised and flat areas. The blue is way too flat for my liking, so I used marine blue to bring up all of those raised parts of the jacket and the hat. Finishing off the blue, I grabbed Elysium blue and went over all of the edges and the very tops of the folds. All the metal parts get a once over with plate armour. Getting started on the washes, I used a blue tone wash over the jacket and his hat. The second wash is a thin down wash of Archaic Sepia wash. This is over everything on the Mini and it's thinned down around 2 to 1 parts water. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Eli. He ended up taking a lot longer than I expected. I think that's mostly more to do with me just taking my time and trying out the new brush a bit. Because I didn't really want to just go for it and rush through like I would normally would. I wanted something where I can actually take some time and test the brush. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this Mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.